Ever feel like your bank account is stuck in slow motion? Transactions take ages, limits feel restrictive, and fees seem to pop up out of nowhere. Frustrating, right? Well, what if I told you there's a new way to manage your money, a way that's faster, smoother, and lets you move more with ease? That's where Neon comes in. What is Neon? Neon isn't your typical bank. It's a neobank, a completely digital banking platform accessible through your phone. No branches, no paperwork, just a sleek app that puts your finances at your fingertips. But with all this convenience, a big question arises: how much can you actually transfer with Neon? Let's dive into the limits. Here's where things get interesting. Neon offers different account tiers, each with its own set of transfer limits. Let's break them down. Neon Free. This is the free tier, perfect for dipping your toes into the Neon experience. You get a daily transfer limit of a whopping 50,000 Swiss francs. That's right, 50,000 Swiss francs in a single day. Now, that's enough to cover most everyday transactions and some serious bill payments. Additionally, there's a monthly limit of 100,000 Swiss francs, ensuring you have ample room to manage your finances. Neon Green, stepping up a notch. Neon Green offers a premium feel with a small monthly fee. The transfer limits here remain the same as Neon Free, a daily maximum of 50,000 Swiss francs and a monthly cap of 100,000 Swiss francs. However, Neon Green throws in some cool perks, like planting a tree for every 500 Swiss francs you spend with your Neon card. Eco-conscious banking with a green thumb? We dig it! Neon Metal, feeling fancy? Neon Metal boasts a sleek metal card and some exclusive features. While the daily transfer limit stays at 50,000 Swiss francs, the monthly limit jumps to a cool 150,000 Swiss francs. This tier caters to those who deal with larger transactions more frequently. Plus, you get complimentary ATM withdrawals both in Switzerland and abroad, adding to the convenience factor. Important considerations. Now, before you go on a neon-fueled money-moving spree, there are a few things to keep in mind. These limits apply to all transfers. This includes transfers between your Neon account and other bank accounts, payments to businesses, and moving money between your spaces, a Neon feature for organizing your finances. International transfers might have additional fees. While Neon allows international transfers, there might be additional charges depending on the destination currency. Make sure to check their fee schedule before initiating an international transfer. Daily limits are cumulative. This means you can't use up your entire daily limit in the morning and expect to transfer another 50,000 Swiss francs later that day. The total amount transferred throughout the day is what matters. Beyond limits, the benefits of Neon. While transfer limits are crucial, Neon offers much more than just that. Here are some additional benefits to consider. Speed. Transactions with Neon are lightning fast. Gone are the days of waiting days for transfers to clear. Security. Neon prioritizes security with features like fingerprint authentication and two-factor verification. Convenience. Manage your finances from anywhere, anytime with the user-friendly Neon app. No more waiting in lines or dealing with pesky paperwork. Investing. With Neon, you can even invest in a selection of securities, all within the same app. Neon, is it right for you? Whether Neon is the perfect fit for you depends on your individual needs. If you're a freelancer, a business owner, or someone who frequently deals with large transactions, the higher limits of Neon Green or Neon Metal might be ideal. However, if you're primarily focused on everyday banking and appreciate a free option, Neon Free offers a fantastic solution. The final verdict. Neon breaks the mold of traditional banking, offering a user-friendly platform with impressive transfer limits. Whether you choose the free tier or opt for a premium account, Neon empowers you to move your money with ease and efficiency. So ditch the frustration of traditional banking and explore the Neon revolution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.